Lake, and we're going to portage to Alpine. This is the portage we're taking on the way out tomorrow. We just thought we'd check it out. It's 105 rods, so about a third of a mile. It's pretty long, it's pretty crowded. We've ran into a group of a couple families who are staying for the weekend, which we knew would happen. It's Labor Day weekend, and they're coming in Thursday. And they're like, oh, we're only going right across there. And I'm like, well, that's our campsite. We're there. And they're like, shit, we've been coming for 3 years trying to get that site. And so we told them, we're leaving in the morning. You might want to come and get it. You can have it. So they probably will. Oh, this is a steep hill here. Here we ran into another group. They've been discarding stuff along the way. They left a bunch back there. Not really sure whose stuff is whose, so can't help them out by carrying it. Don't want to carry it in the wrong direction if they're going the other way. Here's something.
Where's my walker?
A walker. Let's go camping in the Boundary Waters with a walker. We did see a fellow up here with his handler. It looked like rides a short bus to school. So that's probably his walker. Anyway, kind of through the uphill. This is the flatlands. You can see my shadow with my camera there. So are you glad we did it, dear?
I don't know. I'll tell you tomorrow after we're done.
Yeah, we're not really looking forward to it. Humping the canoe over this big trail. But, gotta do it. So, here's some more people coming.
Are you guys coming through to Seagull?
Yeah, our canoe's there.
Oh, cool.
We're just checking out the portage for
We're
tomorrow.
here tonight. We're coming in the morning. We're just checking out.
Oh yeah, this is the one to do. Don't the 30 rod. Right. Yeah. If this is better, I can't imagine how cool that is. Well, it's like you're going along the street, and so there's here and
Okay, deer stopped to talk to those people. I'm still doing the portage with no gear, backpack. That's it. Okay, here's the guy who needs help. He left his walker. Tricky.